What's up, guys? We're installing some aftermarket LED lights where the license plates go because these are too dim, so let's change that. What's up, guys? So I got some aftermarket LED lights from Subi Mods. This is a SKU. I'll put the link in the description of where I got it. These are too dim. Right now they're off. So from what I'm seeing, I have to uninstall 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 push pins. So let's do that. Sometimes they're very stubborn. Oh, hopefully it don't falls on you like that. All right, so I'm presuming it's these. Oh, you just legit push them off. Hold up. Oh, I guess there's a pin on the side. All right, so there's like one pin here and one pin here. Just push them out. It'll be going towards the outside like this, I presume. Well, this is annoying. All right, before I do anything dumb, I presume I'm supposed to take out this whole piece, this middle piece right here, in order for me to uninstall these two pieces. I'm gonna unscrew this, and hopefully I don't do anything dumb. Could be this screw too. I mean, this pin, push pin. So I'm assuming right here then. I don't have like a socket long enough to reach up here, but let me use this bad boy. Honestly, I unclipped here, well, unscrewed here and here. I guess you're gonna have to pull this whole piece out because there's like push pins, as you can see. Just pull it carefully, like that, just like that, boom, and it fell. Push pins on the side, and then it should come right off. Boom, we're good. All right, guys, so after uninstalling the stocked ones, you're gonna have to like disconnect this, and it'll be vulnerable like this, and you'll have this part. The light bulb will be right here. Just unplug it, and then after that, just connect to the new one right here. Boom, all good. After that, just clip it. Don't put it back how it was yet. Make sure that it works fully. Time for the right side. This is locked. Unlocked. There you go, boom. Jeez, don't need no damn flathead. All right, take out the light bulb, and then connect. Then connect the new one onto here. Let's turn on the car and see if it works. And we're in business. Look at this, guys. Jeez, that's bright. All right, let's put them back together how it was. Since this part is exposed, the logo, this is the new theme I'm going to go for, black and green. Honestly, I think this is not a bad decision. This is what I personally think it will look freaking sick since it's black. I'm definitely gonna blacken this part out with an overlay from Kevin Vo, Driven Media in other words. Delete this part as well, put a layer on top and here as well. So since I'm already on this part, might as well add some spice. To install an emblem, or more like uninstall this piece, I would use some old gift cards that you don't care about. If you don't have a heat gun, just use a air dryer, blow dryer at max heat, you'll be fine. Ah, shitos. I'll blow heat from here, and especially from the front. So let's do that. Sadly, boys, I had to make a sacrifice. There's a small little dent here, right here. I couldn't do it with just a card. I had to use this and use my flathead as leverage, and this is the cause. But hey, man, it did a clean peel off. Because normally I see people leave a lot of residue on it and use glue gun. And then me, I don't even have to use it, man. I'll be fine. Let's put the new one on now. You know, honestly, let me put this back how it was. I just had it exposed like this only because I wanted to place some heat from this angle because it's like vulnerable here. So placing air from this side will make it a lot easier from what I was experiencing. So do as you wish, but just be cautious. At least my license plate is protecting it from being scratched. Now the cool part. My hands are so dry from this. Oh, you could even align it with this part, so you'll be fine. Put some weight on it just for a couple seconds. This looks pretty cool so far, man. Let's finish the rest. Let's put these babies back. Now that looks a lot better. It's nighttime now, but damn, these things are really bright, man. Don't mind the dirtiness of my car. It's been raining here in Vegas, but look at this. It's so bright. I love it. Look at that. My camera doesn't really justify how it looks, but look at the way it is, dude. Honestly, I recommend doing this. It looks pretty cool, man. It's a really installer. I recommend it, but honestly, in person it looks so much better. It looks more premium, you know. I still don't get why they were adding those like cheap halogen light bulbs, the yellow ones, but man, do this is pretty cool. So all right guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video of the install. But man, this car is so beautiful at night. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. I really love this install. It gives the rear more of a pop. So alright guys, thanks for watching. Have a good one.